Updating your billing information on Propertybase is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Login. Access your Propertybase account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard or under your Profile menu. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payment Information section. Click on this option to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Assert to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your new billing details are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Propertybase. Regularly checking your account ensures a smooth experience with your services.